So here we are at the Sky Loft Suite, deck 17 here. So this is going to be an incredible room here on the Allure of the Seas. A two-story walking in, just impressive as we get started here. We have a grand living space here. I'm seeing the speakers in the wall here for the TV, so that's pretty cool, and a sound bar. I like that. So the TV, we have a mini bar as well. And then lots of paperwork here for you for when you get on board, all about the Allure, room service, breakfast menus. And then in the living space here, we have the couch and also a table. We'll make our way around here, but lots of room. So you could have breakfast here, hang out. I like this. Four chairs for your table here, and views that we'll get to in quite a second here. Very exciting. So let's see some of these drawer spaces here. So we have some drawers here. If you had a longer sailing and you wanted to unpack a little bit, you could put some stuff in there. Towels for you for the pool as well. A coffee, espresso, so lavazza and tea as well for you, and then a phone and a stool here, so in case you wanted to use this as like a little vanity, you could. But there's also a bathroom here, so this is a full bath down here. So we have just a small step up as we walk into the bathroom here, very small, but we do have a nice sink, some counter space as well, mirrors and drawer space underneath for you to put a toiletry bag. And then this is cool. Check this out. This is his and her. Ooh, this slides. Slide on. We have dual shower heads here. So this is the products for the Sweets peppermint shampoo. I want cilantro hair conditioner and rum body wash. Okay, that all sounds honestly incredible. I want to take a shower with that. I feel like that would be very like rejuvenating and awakening to wash your body with. Very cool. Waterfall shower from the top as well. Little bar to put your foot up to shave your legs. So that's a very spacious shower with all the shower heads as well, and the towels. Temperature control for downstairs as well. And we have some closet space here. Ooh, the light turns on as you open the door. I love that. Lots and lots of hangers. Wow. A second pull bar down here, so in case you want to hang anything lower. An umbrella provided for you as well. And then we have some controls here. So this will control the lights along with the curtains on the walls as well for you. Go look on upstairs, and then we'll check out the balcony. So big full length mirror here too in front of the stairs, and then heading right on up here. So it's an open kind of concept here. There's no door. Another big full length mirror. But this is actually the closet. So we have more closet space, and then on this side we can see that we have the safe along with very plush Royal Caribbean robes. Love to hang out in my robe. And then on this side we have countertop space. We have outlets if you want to plug in your laptop, light switches, your hair dryer, tissues, other vanity area to get ready in, and then room to move around the bed here. So I noticed as well that this is not carpet, it's hardwood, so that's kind of nice. And then oh, there's a peek at our view. So we're in the aft of the ship. You can see the wake as well behind us, the big Allure of the Seas sign. How cool is that? But on the side of the bed we have a nightstand, the light switches, some reading lamps as well. One of the great amenities of a suite is getting to pick your perfect pillow. Little plushy, little hard. Let me know in the comments what kind of pillows you like, or and if you got to choose your pillow, if that would be a great amenity. I think so. And then more controls on this side here and drawer space. And then here we have another bathroom here. So inside this bathroom is identical to the one down below with the dual shower heads, the waterfall shower from the top in the middle, and the sizing of the bathroom. We have hooks up here and additional temperature control for upstairs as well. So looking on down, you can see all the space of the room, and we'll take you to the balcony. So out here on the balcony, we have 4 chairs with a nice table. This is like the perfect place to hang out, people watch everyone doing some mini golf. You can see people doing the zip line, which is happening right now. How cool is that? So that zip line goes over part of the ship here. Amazing, amazing. Very exciting. The flow rider, like these views. So much action happening. But yeah, here is the scope of the room. Tons of room. I feel like I could do some cartwheels. It is so big. And we have some chairs, padded seating here, some loungers. This looks so plush. And watch how this is incredible views of the ship from the side. I love this. Amazing views for sure. And so we came in through the door here, but there's also another door, and we'll show you from the inside if you come in that way as well. And here is just that other door if you were to enter from the other space here, there. This is where the table is, so another door to get out. Now at this point in the video, you might be curious about some of the rest of the ship. Now this is an incredible stateroom. Whether or not this room is right for you, I have an entire playlist that you can see other rooms from this ship right here, along with an entire ship tour, so you can check it all out. Be sure to check out our partners as well, MEI Travel, if you're interested in booking this room. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, ciao for now.